Hello and welcome to Silly Sausages on Dashcam episode 30, and straight away we're going to dive into a chap that's on his mobile phone again. No idea the lights are on green. Beep the horn, still doesn't realise.
Oh man, you dangleberry.
Honest to God, like.
On his phone? I can see it in his mirror.
See it on his
Looking
mirror,
down
yeah.
on his phone. What a sausage.
Absolutely, what a sausage.
Prat.
This seems to be happening a lot as well. It's like three-way traffic lights.
Sausage? Seriously, what are you doing?
Now this clip, the person in the car in front of me here, they weren't reversing out of a car parking space, if anybody was saying. But after this, I've no idea what they were trying to do. So just sit there, then it's totally stopping anybody from wanting to turn left. If anybody wants to turn left, they're now totally blocked. They can't get out. And he's sticking out at the top, stopping from people coming through. Absolutely no idea.
A couple days later, I was live streaming and I saw that these guys were online scamming as usual, and it led me to a victim named Barb.
I'm just clueless, aren't they? Clueless. Taxi driver, well, minibus taxi driver.
Nice indication.
No
Taxi
indication
driver,
there.
No better.
He learned this time though, won't he?
Sausage.
Oh,
And another one.
no indicating again.
Giving me a bad name.
I give me a
I'm
bad
picking
name.
me, like if anybody doesn't indicate, it winds us up. Yeah.
You won't do it the third time, surely. Oh, there we go. Ignorant or just lazy? I've just at the school picking somebody up, and then this car comes around. Once again, look at this. No indication whatsoever.
Oh, a nice indication, you sausage.
Ridiculous.
What a silly sausage.
This is one chap that just has no idea at all that I'm driving up here.
Yeah. 2 sheets to the wind, sausage. Not even looking. At the bloody hell.
I knew what he was going to do, but they just don't care, do they?
You're happy doing that?
This chap on a mobility scooter just did not even look once at
He
all.
wasn't looking, was he?
Straight across.
Gonna...
Straight across. There's another pedestrian on the mini roundabout, just I've no idea.
What an
Heavens.
absolute sausage!
Numpties on there. Now this driver of the Sainsbury's wagon, one-way street, in the left lane,
so
turn
you're
right.
in the left-hand lane,
And people say
turn right.
he needs to be in that lane to swing round. No, he doesn't. It's not a HGV. It's not an Arctic.
Serious?
It's not a 500-ton vehicle.
I could be a right sausage myself and pull up exactly to them on the right-hand side.
Like, say, if I pulled up to the right and want to turn round, he's knackered. He can't turn right then. He does not need to be in that lane to turn round, to turn right. Sorry, like, if anybody thinks otherwise, he does not need to be in the left lane. This is just another driver. If you look at the black car in the ahead there, it clearly says road closed. There's barriers and signs and everything. Still doesn't realise or still doesn't notice. He's wanting to turn right.
You can't turn right. Road closed, you sausage.
How can you not
Big
see
sign
that?
that
Like?
says road closed. Oh, honestly, man. Yeah.
Here's another driver. Same junction, opposite end. The clue is that not all the signs telling you.
I don't understand. There's a huge sign that says road closed.
Ah, but you're assuming that we can read.
Now this Riverside van coming up on the A69 heading towards Newcastle. Not only is he tailgating
Never ending.
the blue vehicle in front,
What are you?
he's not 2 seconds behind. He decides to just
Pull out then,
indicate and
why
pull
don't you?
straight out.
Heaven's sake.
Now the camera may give you the illusion that I'm half a mile away, but I'm not. A lot closer than you think. I see this a lot at this junction and coming out of Denton and Carlisle. I go on to Amber Green.
The hell's bells and buckets and spades. That was a major sausage. Major major sausage.
And there's always one, isn't it, that has to push it. There you go, red light's coming on. Puts his foot down. Was it worth the risk?
Bad lad sausage.
Hardwick Circus, Carlisle. This is just a motorist that either doesn't see us or just thinks they're being clever, they can just pull it out. And this car coming up here. There we go.
Well, just pull out like your sausage. Grandad sausage.
Grandad sausage. London Road, Carlisle, heading out the city. Someone just walking across the road. Not even looking, not even in a hurry to move out the road either.
Just walk out in front, why don't you? Sausage. Clueless sausage.
So this is, I'm doing 30 mile an hour in obviously a 30 mile an hour zone in the village of Smithfield.
30 mile an hour in a village, you pleb.
And this white van man seems to think
What a sausage.
the 30 mile an hour limit doesn't appeal at this time of night. Away they go. More cyclists, Orton Road, Carlisle. Come the other way. Very, very poor lighting. See if you can spot where they are. You see them?
Some lights on your bikes, man. 2 ears. Honest to God, 2 sausages.
Honestly, cyclists, they should be made to pay tax, road tax, and it should be against the law not to have lights on your bikes. I don't know if it is already, but now it seems to be done about it. Here's another cyclist, no lights on the bike and on his mobile phone at the same time. Wasn't them. Here he is, coming up. Got his phone in
more
one
lights,
hand.
mobile phone. Sausage.
Sausage. Here's more chaos coming out the train station. We're on green. Other cars seem to think they can go through red lights, and here we are.
Where on earth are these cars going?
Where on earth are these cars going? Look at that, man.
We've gone on
Doesn't
green
look when they're
lights,
driving a
coming
tank
out the
either, does it?
And yet this car's coming the other way.
But I see this all day long. I don't know what they're thinking of doing.
Mental.
Going into the Mercedes garage, check out that white van there. Doesn't know give way, and he's in the wrong lane coming out of it as well.
Okay, you won't waiting. Sausage.
That's bad, like.
Fine or something.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
Okay. And here, yeah.
Just more kids coming out of school time. Once again, just not bothered. The 2 kids behind are totally unaware that I'm even there by the look of it.
They give you a funny look as if to say, what are you doing driving on there?
See, if a driver's driving down there speeding and doesn't notice them kids, they've ploughed straight into them. Could be nasty.
What number on these?
Came out that car now on the left wanting to come out. Doesn't understand the give way rule either.
You're supposed to give way your sausage.
See, a lot of drivers would have just beeped the horn, but because I'm a taxi driver and I'm doing this all day, I didn't bother. You're not really supposed to beep your horn either for aggressiveness. Because I just see this all the time. I just think, there's no point in doing it. So I just record for the standard of driving. It's just shocking. And this chap here coming up is intoxicated in some way or other. Apparently he was reported around Carlisle and other junctions as well. Just for his own safety, if anything else.
Well away. Bloody hell, well away, sausage.